What if a new form of currency could change the world? A currency devoid of government control, promising anonymity and freedom. This was the vision behind Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency. Emerging in 2009 from the labyrinth of the web, Bitcoin was introduced to the world by an enigmatic figure or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Initially brushed off as a mere technological curiosity, Bitcoin soon began to pique the interest of the tech-savvy and libertarian circles. Its decentralized nature and the promise of anonymity were magnetic to those envisioning a future free from the shackles of government control and censorship. As Bitcoin's popularity grew, so did its value. This was exemplified in 2010, when Laszlo Hanyecz made the first real-world transaction with Bitcoin, trading a whopping 10,000 Bitcoins for a pair of pizzas. By 2017, Bitcoin was no longer an obscure concept, but a household name, with its value skyrocketing to nearly $20,000 per coin. 2017 was a golden year for Bitcoin, the year it broke into the mainstream and reached its peak. A speculative frenzy, fed by the media's increasing attention, drove Bitcoin's value to dizzying heights. The world watched in awe as the price of a single Bitcoin soared to nearly $20,000, an unimaginable leap from its humble beginnings. This was not just a financial phenomenon, it was a cultural moment, a digital gold rush. Investors from all walks of life, captivated by stories of overnight millionaires, poured their money into Bitcoin with the hope of reaping astronomical returns. The allure of this digital currency was undeniable. Its possibilities seemed endless, and for a while it felt like the sky was the limit. But as we know, what goes up must come down. And so, as quickly as it rose, Bitcoin began its descent. But like all good things, this period of euphoria was not meant to last. The year 2018 brought a harsh reality check. Bitcoin's price plunged dramatically, losing over 80% of its value in just a few months. This precipitous fall was no accident, but the result of a convergence of factors that shook the very foundations of the cryptocurrency. Firstly, regulatory concerns began to loom large. Governments around the globe began to scrutinize cryptocurrencies, their brows furrowed with worry about their potential use in illegal activities, such as money laundering and tax evasion. The regulatory crackdowns and uncertainty that followed took a toll on investor confidence, causing many to question the future of Bitcoin and other digital currencies. Secondly, scalability issues came to the forefront. The Bitcoin network found itself struggling to handle the increasing number of transactions, leading to slow processing times and soaring fees. This severely undermined Bitcoin's utility as a practical means of payment, hampering its adoption rate and dampening the enthusiasm of many potential users. Thirdly, security breaches became a pressing concern. Cryptocurrency exchanges, with their vast digital vaults of wealth, became prime targets for hackers. Several high-profile breaches and thefts occurred, shaking trust in the security of digital asset platforms to its core. This only served to fuel investor anxiety and further dampen enthusiasm for Bitcoin. Lastly, the specter of market manipulation reared its ugly head. The unregulated nature of the cryptocurrency market made it ripe for manipulation by whales, those who hold large amounts of a cryptocurrency, and market manipulators. Pump-and-dump schemes, wash trading, and other fraudulent activities ran rampant, contributing to price volatility and instability. This confluence of factors brought about the downfall of Bitcoin. The bubble that had been so inflated by speculation and media frenzy had finally burst. The fall from grace was swift and brutal, leaving many investors nursing heavy losses. The euphoria that once surrounded Bitcoin had evaporated, replaced by a sobering reminder of the inherent risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. The year 2018 served as a stark wake-up call, a reminder that what goes up must inevitably come down. The bubble had burst, leaving many investors nursing heavy losses. Despite its setbacks, Bitcoin has not disappeared entirely. This digital pioneer still garners attention from an array of enthusiasts, ranging from individual investors to technologists and even institutional players. They all see a glimmer of long-term potential in this volatile digital asset. In the wake of the Bitcoin bubble burst, the cryptocurrency's value has seen a roller coaster ride. But let's not forget, volatility is part of Bitcoin's DNA. It's a trait that has both charmed and alarmed investors. While its price fluctuations can be stomach-churning, they also offer the tantalizing promise of high returns. For those with an appetite for risk, Bitcoin can be an adrenaline-fueled investment journey. On the tech front, Bitcoin continues to intrigue. Its underlying technology, blockchain, has far-reaching potential beyond digital currencies. This decentralized, transparent ledger system could revolutionize a multitude of industries, from finance to supply chain management, healthcare, and more. Technologists worldwide are exploring how to harness this potential, with Bitcoin often serving as the entry point to this brave new world. Institutional involvement in Bitcoin also paints a complex picture. On one hand, traditional finance giants have started to dip their toes in the crypto waters. We've seen Bitcoin futures trading on major exchanges, and even Wall Street firms are offering clients exposure to this digital asset. On the other hand, regulatory challenges pose significant hurdles. Governments worldwide are grappling with how to manage cryptocurrencies, with their decisions impacting Bitcoin's acceptance and value. Indeed, Bitcoin's future is as unpredictable as its past. Its journey from a niche experiment to a global phenomenon has been wrought with highs and lows. But it's this very unpredictability, this inherent risk, that continues to captivate the world. As the crypto landscape evolves, so too does Bitcoin's story. As the crypto landscape evolves, only time will tell whether Bitcoin can reclaim its former glory, or if it will fade into obscurity like so many other digital currencies before it.